You've probably noticed your Google app icons look different. The old, flat-colored icons are out. Now they're brighter, more vibrant, and full of gradients. Take Google Maps. Once a simple solid pin on a flat map, now it glows with depth and color. This isn't just a design refresh, it's a signal. Google is embracing artificial intelligence, and these new icons are the visual language of that shift. The move from flat to dynamic icons is about more than style. It's about showing that Google's apps are smarter, more predictive, and more personal. These new icons for maps and photos are the first wave of Google's AI era. The old material design icons were about clarity and simplicity for touchscreens. But today's apps are dynamic assistants, learning from us and anticipating our needs. A flat icon can't capture that energy anymore. Now Google's icons are designed to reflect intelligence and adaptability. This isn't just about looking cool, it's about building a cohesive identity for Google's AI-powered future. The gradients and glows are a visual cue. These apps are alive, learning, and evolving. Whether you love or hate the change, it's here to stay. So what do these new icons really mean for your apps? Why are gradients suddenly everywhere? Let's break it down. Why gradients? Simple. They're the perfect metaphor for AI. Gradients are fluid, dynamic, and always shifting, just like artificial intelligence. Google wants you to see more than just color. They want you to see a blend of ideas, data, and creativity. The new icons' glowing gradients evoke intelligence, energy, and limitless potential. This isn't just about function anymore. It's about signaling that your apps are smart partners. Gradients unify Google's products under a single forward-looking banner. For years, Google's branding felt fragmented. Now, gradients tie everything together. Whether you're using Maps, Photos, or Gemini, that subtle glow is a reminder you're interacting with Google's intelligence layer. It's a smart branding move, building a consistent user experience. Flat design is the old norm. Gradients are Google's way of breaking from the pack. It's a risk. Gradients can look dated if done wrong, but Google is betting on their execution and the AI narrative to keep things fresh. These aren't just new colors, they're a new way to think about what Google's software can do. The gradient is now the visual signature of Google's AI era. It's about innovation, unity, and a future where your apps are more than just tools. That's why gradients are everywhere. Let's zoom in on the new Google Maps icon. The classic location pin remains, but everything else is transformed. The background is now a vibrant, multi-layered gradient, adding depth and energy. This isn't just cosmetic. The icon reflects how Maps has evolved. Maps is no longer a static tool, it's a living service powered by real-time data and AI. The gradients represent the layers of information: live traffic, transit, business info, and AI-powered features. The glow signals intelligence. Your map is always working, always learning. The new icon invites you to explore, discover, and interact with your world in richer ways. It's not just about getting from A to B anymore. The icon's vibrancy hints at a world of information waiting to be uncovered. Google is saying, we're not just a map, we're your AI-powered window to the world. The new look is a subtle but powerful message. It sets the stage for the next generation of navigation and discovery. The map now understands you as much as you understand it. Now, let's look at Google Photos. The old pinwheel icon was playful and simple. 4 separate colors, 4 separate pieces. The new icon keeps the shape but blends the colors into a seamless gradient. This isn't just a style update, it's a reflection of how Photos has changed. Today, Google Photos is an intelligent assistant, not just a gallery. The gradient symbolizes AI working behind the scenes, categorizing, identifying, and enhancing your memories. Magic Editor, powered by AI, lets you transform photos in ways that feel like magic. The flowing colors represent how Photos now understands connections between your pictures. It's not just storage, it's a tool for reliving and reimagining your memories. The new icon promises a more powerful, intuitive experience. It's a visual upgrade that matches the app's technological leap. Google Photos is now a creative partner, not just a photo album. These gradients aren't just for maps and photos, they're part of a bigger design philosophy. Google's new visual identity is built around AI, and gradients are the chosen symbol. The goal: unify Google's massive suite of products with a consistent, meaningful look. When you see that glow, you know it's a Google AI product. Gradients add dimension and life, making technology feel more human and approachable. It's about making smart tech feel like a creative partner, not a cold machine. The system is flexible. Each app gets its own color blend, but the core idea stays the same. This keeps products unique, yet unmistakably Google. The design is both consistent and adaptable, just like Google's AI. Gradients guide your eye, create emotion, and build brand association. It's a thoughtful strategy for a future where AI is everywhere. Google's design now reflects its technology, dynamic, unified, and always evolving. The gradients are here to stay. These icon changes are more than a facelift, they're a direct response to Google's AI-first strategy. For years, Google meant search and information. Now, it wants to mean intelligence. Every new icon is a daily reminder, Google is all in on AI, your home screen is prime branding real estate, and these icons are Google's ambassadors. The gradients reinforce Google's new identity every time you tap. It's a subtle, persistent message, Google equals AI. This helps Google stand out as competitors race to add AI to everything. Apple and Microsoft have their own styles. Google's gradients are instantly recognizable. The look builds loyalty and makes Google's AI feel unique, not generic. It's about future-proofing the brand for an AI-driven world. Gradients are abstract enough to evolve as AI does. Google is laying a visual foundation for the next era of software. The icons are just the beginning. So, when will you see these new icons? The rollout has started, but it's happening in phases. You might notice the new look on your phone before your laptop. Updates are server-side, so the icon may change automatically. First, you'll see them on your home screen and app drawer, then across the Google ecosystem. The goal, a consistent look everywhere you use Google. The gradual rollout lets Google monitor feedback and avoid surprises. Some users will see the change today, others in a week or two. Make sure your apps are updated for the best chance to get the new icons early. This isn't just a new coat of paint, it's a declaration of Google's AI-powered future. What do you think? Does the new look feel futuristic? Or do you miss the old design?